Hello and welcome to the 2019 Iconic Cup from the home of RC Racing in London. Now, as a lot of you already know, this video is well overdue and features the amazing Iconic Cup race day held in August 2019. Now, as mentioned in the practice day video, there were so many great cars out on track in a number of different classes, and we actually have quite a few of you comment to tell us you were there and which cars you were racing, which is great. It was such a fun day, and I highly recommend it to anyone to get involved with racing. As mentioned, there were quite a few different classes out there today, and unlike the practice day video we put out a few months ago, where it was a free-for-all and an open track on the Saturday for people to just jump on the track and practice and set up their cars, today all the cars out on track in each section of the video are racing each other and are in the same class. Now, what I've done, and what I should mention, is that this episode is not showing every single race in order from the day. So it's not necessarily round 1, heat 1, or heat 2, heat 3, and we've missed a few in between. But the races you can see are in order, starting from lap 1. Again, we were actually really lucky with the weather on Sunday, because on the practice day the wind was so bad it was blowing gazebos over and wreaking havoc, even affecting some of the cars and blowing them off the racing line, which was good fun, another element to contend with, but it was not so great for the races on practice day, as it made setting up the cars really difficult because it was difficult to get consistent laps in. But luckily, on the actual race day it was perfect. Now, as mentioned in the last video, we didn't actually compete this year in the Iconic Cup, which was a real shame, and in the end I wish I did. To be honest, the real reason we didn't compete was that I thought everyone was going to be super serious pro racers, but actually that was not the case at all, and that's a great thing that we found this year with so many clubs and events we've been to. There's a whole range of different people there with different levels of experience and knowledge, from complete beginners to national and international champions, with everything in between, which again is brilliant. So if you're a beginner or looking to get started, just find a club and jump straight in, because there will always be people there to help you and tell you what you need to buy or how to build your car and get racing. And I particularly found that through my local club with the Tamiya race series and our TT01 build. So get out there and get racing. But that's it from this episode. I hope you've enjoyed seeing some of the brilliant racing from the 2019 Iconic Cup, and we have one more episode, part 2 to come, so do watch out for that. But that's it. Enjoy the rest of the video, and please do rate, comment and subscribe for more content. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.
Michael, 1 and 2. Added Run forward, that's 4.